Hey loves, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Evita, and on my channel I like to post videos about my journey to becoming debt free, cash stuffing videos, and also my monthly budget. If that sounds like something you'll be interested in, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you find yourself enjoying today's video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. In today's video, I am going to be doing my debt tracker for the month of February and see like, hey, what I plan to pay off, and of course take you guys on this journey with me of becoming debt free. So Capital One has a starting balance of $1,853. The minimum payment is $79. Access One has a starting balance of $3,395 and the minimum payment is $227. Gap has a starting balance of $7,831, minimum payment $266. Student loans $40,000, no minimum payment just yet. UMC has a starting balance of $57,338 and with a minimum payment of $100. AMR has a starting balance of $714 with a minimum payment of $56. So a lot of people always ask me, why don't you pay like either from the lowest interest rate on down or on up, I guess, or from the lowest balance on up? Here's the thing, I was doing that. I was paying off, hey, lowest balance. I was doing a snowball method basically, but what I found is if I don't see progress, I'm less like any like they're like, yeah, progress. If I don't see any progress, if I actually can't like really see it, then I'm less motivated. So say that I was doing by the highest interest rate. So Gap has the highest interest rate, but it has a super high balance. If I was paying like little by little bit, and I didn't see like the balance going down fast enough, it doesn't motivate me. Everyone does what works for them, best works for them. I do what's best works for me. So I am, of course, doing Capital One first. Number one, it has one of the higher interest rates, and it has one of the lower balances. I'm not doing AMR. A lot of people ask me, why don't you just pay off AMR? AMR made me so angry. I said, whatever, y'all get y'all money when y'all get it. I could have been paid off AMR, $714. I could have been paid them off, but they made me so angry. I said, I'm going to do the smallest amount that I could possibly can with you. I know it sounds stupid, you guys, but it makes sense in my head. At the time, it made sense in my head. I might go ahead and pay it off. Like, I'm over my feelings now and everything. But at the time, I was just so angry with them. I was like, you're going to get your money when you get it. Like, I had to contact the Better Business Bureau on them and everything. Thank you to whoever suggested that I do that. And then that's when they got their act together. But, so now I want to pay off Capital One as soon as possible. And then I'm going to go ahead and skip to Gap. I'm skipping Access One because this is my local hospital. They consolidate all of our bills. They'll allow you to consolidate all of your bills that you get at the hospital or within their network, and then you can do one monthly payment, which is so much easier than me trying to pay off a $500 bill and then I have a $150 bill. It just makes more sense for me to pay just a smaller balance with all of them that have been consolidated. Hopefully that makes sense. So after I'm done doing Capital One, I'm going to skip on over to Gap and then pay that off. After I'm done with Gap, then I'm going to go ahead and just pay off Access One. Once I'm done with Access One, I'm going to come down to student loans, because by the time I'm done paying all those off, student loans will be properly due. They will no longer be in forbearance, or is it deferment? I forget which one when you're out of school at this point. They'll no longer be able to doing it, and the AMR get paid off when they get paid off. I don't know. I might feel like actually paying them off sooner. Who knows? Just so I can get rid of it. I might. We'll see. We'll see where it leads me. But UMC, that's gonna be there forever. Anyways, you guys, I am gonna try to start posting regularly again. Oh, gotta show you guys the back. There's nothing on the back. Nothing really to get into. I did restart my debt balance over this year because, like I said, I was sick last year. I was waiting for my nails to heal first because I got fake nails, and then I couldn't come on camera because you guys see I show my hands, and I was like, oh my gosh, when I took them off, my nails are absolutely disgusting, looking like I was chewing on my, it looked like I was chewing on my nails or something. So I had to wait for that to heal. Then I kept on getting sick, and I did leave a story of like what happened. You can still hear it in my voice. I left it in my cash stuffing video. I'll link it up above if you guys want to check it out, know what happened. But yeah, I just was like, forget it. I'm gonna start all over, because I was sort of keeping track all of last year, but then I kept on getting sick. So I was like, whatever, let me just add up all of my debt starting the beginning of 2023 and see what it was. So it was $112,000. That's where we're going to say where I'm starting off now. All right, I've been rambling too long. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all on my next one. Bye.